Your boy is back and he's been sick. So sorry about the shortage of videos, but we're gonna try to be more consistent. Today is a Tesla video as I recover, and we're gonna talk about ways to make Tesla products better. Starting with, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do something a little out of the ordinary. I'm gonna give you what I wanna talk about right now. So I'm gonna talk about 5 things at a time at a high level. We're going to go over pin to drive as far as the app and the website, autopilot and full self-driving, the ability to select different routes on your way to your destination. And this isn't really a thing, maybe it doesn't apply to all Teslas, but it definitely does for mine. Maybe we can get a recall on cameras, and I'll actually show you that soon. I know it sounds strange. And it would be awesome if we had a deep sleep or like a power off mode for the people who don't live in houses and can't charge their cars every night. Battery and vampire drain is real. I've mentioned it before. You've probably seen it on forums. It's just what we gotta deal with. Oh, and by the way, ignore the backdrop. Maybe I should get a green screen one day for when I'm doing the in-house videos. Anyway, number 1, the pin to drive feature. Basically what it does, it allows you to set a magical pin number for anyone who hops in of your car. If they want to drive, they must know that pin. My only thing is that it's only available in the app. I just wish it would be available in the website as well. Only because of security concerns, reasons. Maybe you have some kids, you may not want driving your car at certain amounts of time. And that's another thing too. If we could like put it on a schedule or like a timer, or if we're in like a unfamiliar location, even if we're not at home or at work or something like that. I just think Tesla can get a little more creative with pin to drive. Autopilot and full self-driving. I just wish that it could be a lot more smooth. Me personally, I don't pay for full self-driving because it's not really full self-driving. The autonomy is not there yet. Let's be real. Let's call a spade a spade. But I just wish it could be more smooth, like more human-like. When I speed up or slow down, it's almost like it doesn't recognize what's ahead of it until it's like too late. I know they got the little, you can actually change your following distance from the car in front of you, but it's like when I'm in bumper to bumper rush hour traffic here in Atlanta, it's like, I just want you to be more smooth, like move with more grace, more finesse. That's all I want. Anyway, it's kind of like an on or off switch. It'll get too close to a car and then just jam on the brakes, or it'll get like not close enough, too far away. Like it's just, it won't accelerate in a timely fashion. It's just not smooth at all. The ability to select different routes. Honestly, and I forgot to mention this before the video started, I actually have the latest Tesla update for my Model 3. So I know everything is supposed to be working as it should. And if they fix anything between now and this video, it's because they probably updated it. Maybe they even saw this video, who knows? When you start your destination, you can select how you want to get there. I love it. However, I wish that you could do it while you're rolling, if that makes sense. Once you start it off towards your destination, it actually won't let you change it like mid-navigation. That's really bothersome. Let me switch my destination at will, Tesla. I gotta go downstairs to show you guys for this one. So let me do that now. Watch, it's probably gonna act normal today. Let me see if I can catch it in the act. Go. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Camera, I mean, it usually works pretty well, but like when I'm in the middle of a turn and I have to, actually, let me bring this up for privacy reasons. When I have to do a left turn, it's like, even like, look at this. This is like some Sega Genesis graphics right here. It doesn't work all the time. And like, it'll be loading. Look at this. Look at this 8-bit action. When it does work, it's this. Sometimes it's clear. But like, I promise you, 30% of the time, okay, maybe not 30%, maybe like 15 to 20.
Like, it doesn't even show up. It'll just be black. And I'm just like, why? I have done nothing to this car. I've done nothing to the cameras. It's a 2018. Why can't we get this right on the first try? Cameras have been around forever. Look at this. Look at this.
All right, last but certainly not least, deep sleep or a power off option. Tesla, their cars are consistently connected to the internet. That's so you can use the app's features, you can precondition it, you can cool it, turn your climate controls on, honk your horn, all this stuff. Open your trunk even. It's gotta have a consistent connection with the internet, which I'm a big fan of, but I don't live in a house with a garage for me to charge my car consistently. So all it really does for people like me is drain my battery. And I don't like that. I like to be able to know that my car is turned, like if I want to turn my car completely off and not turn it on until I absolutely want it to turn on, then that should be up to me. Like for example, there should be an option to go into deep sleep mode, and I should be able to tap my car's window with my key card or whatever, and then all the power should be restored. It gets its internet connection established again and all this other jazz. I needed to go to sleep. I think it would come in clutch. And also, even when I'm like on vacation, I just kind of wish that it would do it automatically. Anyway, I know there can be pros and cons to being on vacation. And so I can't access my car anymore and all. I get it, but I'm different. So yeah. Anyway, it was my intent to make this video rather short to kind of get back into the recording game. I have a whole slew of ideas and thoughts on how to make Tesla better. I want to thank you guys so much for the support. God bless you, all that jazz. I will see you next time. Bye.